In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Odoo. If you want to make Odoo easier to use in your preferred language, the good news is that the process is very quick and simple. You can do it directly from your account settings, and it only takes a few clicks. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Odoo account and looking at the main dashboard or any page inside the platform. Once you're in, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see your Odoo profile. Click on your profile to open the account menu. After opening that menu, look for the language option. This is where Odoo lets you choose the language used in your interface. If the language you want is already available, you can simply select it from the list. This is useful if you already have multiple languages installed and just want to switch between them quickly. If you don't see your language right away, don't worry. In the same area, click the globe icon. This option allows you to add another language to your Odoo account. Once you click it, you'll be able to look through the available languages and choose the one you want to use. Select your preferred language carefully and confirm the choice if needed. After that, go ahead and choose the language you just added. Odoo will then update the interface so menus, labels, and other visible elements appear in that selected language. This can make navigation much more comfortable, especially if you're working in Odoo every day and want everything to feel more familiar and easier to understand. One helpful tip is to give the page a moment to refresh after changing the language, since some interface elements may take a second to fully update. If needed, you can also reopen your profile settings to confirm that the correct language is selected. And that's it. As you can see, changing the language in Odoo is a straightforward process. Click your profile at the top right, select the language option, use the globe icon if you need to add a new language, and then choose it. Once that's done, your Odoo interface will be ready for us in the language you prefer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you customize your Odoo experience quickly and easily.